Put toothpaste in the soap and you'll be surprised at the result. This is a trick that hotel owners don't want you to know about. You'll never have this problem in your home again. For this simple tip, you'll need a bar of soap, and it can be any soap of your choice. However, choose one with the scent you like best. With the help of a grater, we'll grate the whole bar of soap. This will make all your guests praise it. After I did this, all my guests asked me what the secret was, so I'll teach you. After grating everything, let's take a tube of toothpaste. You can use whichever brand you prefer. Add all the contents to the grated soap. Next, we'll add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda helps to neutralize, eliminate, and prevent bad odors, thus strengthening the scent of the soap and toothpaste. Once you've added the 2 tablespoons, mix them very well with your hands. We need to mix until it's very homogeneous, so that it's easier on the hands. It has to look like this, as you see in the video. Once that's done, we'll separate it into small portions and form balls. And with just these cheap and easy-to-find ingredients, we can make something wonderful for our home. Now, we need a piece of aluminum foil. Take one of the balls we've made and wrap it in aluminum foil. And this simple practice goes beyond saving money. It can offer a number of surprising benefits for your personal hygiene routine. In short, this trick is more than surprising. It's really amazing for your home, especially your bathroom. The last step is to make a few holes with the help of a fork or toothpick. These holes will be responsible for releasing the pleasant aroma of our mixture. That's why it's important to make lots of holes so that the mixture lasts longer with its aroma. By mixing toothpaste with soap, you not only save money, but also completely elevate your cleaning routine. All thanks to the impressive benefits of fluoride and baking soda. Try it and you'll see the difference for yourself. Finally, place one of these balls in the water tank of the toilet, and in about 15 minutes, you'll see an impressive result. Many luxury hotels do this and never tell you because it's a very simple and inexpensive tip. And it smells wonderful. Just choose a soap of your choice and your bathroom will never smell bad again. Every time you flush, a pleasant, fragrant aroma will be released. I hope you enjoyed this simple and inexpensive trick. Take care and see you soon.